welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download pictures from TikTok without that pasty watermark. Yes, you heard that right. Whether it's for personal use, a project, or to share on other platforms, I've got you covered, so let's dive in. First things first, open TikTok and find the picture or the video you want to download. Remember, we're doing this watermark free, so let's proceed to the next step. Tap on the share button and then look for the copy link option. Got it? Great. Now, the link to the video is copied to your clipboard. Next, open your web browser and go to a TikTok download site that offers watermark free downloads. There are several out there like Snaptik, TT Downloader, or SafeDog. So make sure you're using a reliable and a safe one. So in here, I'm going to be using snaptik.com. Once you're in the site, paste the link you copied into the designated field and hit the download button. The site will process the video and then offer you a link to download the picture without a watermark. Here you can see the download photo option. Simply tap on it and your photos will be downloaded without that pasty watermark. And there you have it. You successfully downloaded a TikTok picture without the watermark.